We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so for whatever reason you want to download and install apps. So perhaps you've recently just got your iPhone and so you've only got the apps that it came with, but what you can do is just go and start downloading social media apps, game apps, productivity apps, apps for your work like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and much more as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step with everything you need to know about downloading and installing apps. So let's go and dive straight into this. So to go and get started, you do need to go and have a connection to the internet. If you look in the top right, you can see I've got these bars here, just to the next to the battery icon. That is Wi-Fi. If you go and open up the settings here as well, you can go and see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So either you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network, or you can go and use your mobile data or cellular data, which comes with your network. So if you want to go and use that, make sure you've got plenty, because apps do take up a lot of data when downloading them, but you need to make sure it's enabled. So you can press mobile service, of course, make sure it's switched on, and then you can scroll down here and press show all. And you want to make sure the App Store is enabled, so it's able to go and use your mobile data or cellular data. Now that you have a connection, what you then need to do is go and locate this app, the App Store. So this is where you go and get apps from. You can browse there. There's going to be free and paid apps. So what we can do is go and open it up like so. So in order to go and use the App Store, you need to go and have an Apple ID account signed in. So if you go and look in the top right here, regardless of the page you're on, you should go and have an icon. Mine's been customized, so I'm currently logged in, but you want to go and tap on that icon, and then you should go and be signed in. If you aren't, there'll go and be a sign in option at the top, which you can go and click on, and you can then go and sign in. Or what you can do is you can come back to the settings, and at the top, you'll go and see the Apple ID account. Once again, if you're not currently signed in, you can tap there and go and sign in, but I imagine you are. You'd see your name at the top here and tap on it. Then you can go down and find media and purchases and tap there. And then you should be able to go and press set up, and you can go and set it up with the account currently signed in here. So now that you've gone and got the App Store set up, you want to go and open it up. And now, let me close out of this, you can start browsing different apps. So I'm just got the Today tab currently selected. And for example, here we can go and see iPhone Essentials. I've actually got a lot of them already, but you can browse through the different sections. And then at the bottom, you've got games and apps as well. So you can then browse through and go and find the different apps you may want. So for example, let's say I want to go and get this app here. This is a UK World and News app, which is going to be useful. So in this case, it's free because it says get. Some apps are going to go and have a price tag next to them. That means they're going to go and cost you money. But yeah, a lot of apps are going to go and be free in here as well. If they say get, it's important to note that they are free to go and get, but they include some sort of purchase within the app. So let's go and find an app we want. For example, now here, I could press get to the right. Now what's going to happen is this will appear, and we can actually go and then double click to install. So that's this button here. So double click it like so. I'll need to go and show my face to do Face ID to act as authentication. And it'll then go and start downloading, as you can see, and it'll go and install. And then you can go and press open. But if we come out of here, you go and see the app then appears on your home screen, and you can tap on it to go and open it up and go and start using it. And of course, you can go and repeat that for more apps. If you're looking for a specific app, you can go and press a search in the bottom right and go and search for it. It's that simple.